Sir, doon po sa naging meeting po ninyo, informed na rin po sina Senator Risa Ontiveros.
Informal. This is informal meeting. Remember, we have yet to convene the 20th Congress. So baka biglang mag-jump in yung mga iba na may kasunduan na, no? Hindi po. It's an informal meeting. But we have about 4 or 6 senators na nag-agree dun eh. So, yun lang. I'm just sharing yung developments na nangyayari. And that is our plan, our suggestion, our thoughts on when we can convene the impeachment court. Kasi any time of the day, if you recall, di ba, nung June 10, hindi pa naman talaga doon i-convene yung impeachment court. Supposed to be a day after pa. But we were able to convene ourselves as an impeachment court last June 10, kahit na hindi yun ang schedule. So again, at the end of the day, consensus pa rin yan ng majority.